Hello, beautiful, beautiful soul, and welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here. Today, I was out walking in nature and I just sat down for a bit just to feel. So, today, I would like you to also connect with Mother Earth, Lady Gaia, this beautiful planet that nurture us and give us safety and really, really loves us here. So if you could please imagine a spot in nature or imagine a great place in nature. You don't have to have visited for real. You could just imagine, or a place that you like. And just feel what's happening inside of you when you connect to that place, to that green, lovely, growing energy. Maybe you have some water flowing through, just floating through the landscape. Or maybe you're up on a mountain or a big hill, having a spectacular view. So just feel what's happening inside of you, because our frequency and our energy and the energy level has nothing to do with what our mind is telling us. Everything is about how you feel inside your body. And the more you are thinking things, stressing out of things, maybe feeling fear, anxiety, all those feelings and thoughts are just up in your mind, but it will give you a response in your body, and your energy and your body will tighten up because the frequency and the energy of those feelings are very small and very dense. So just connect with that beautiful place in nature and just feel what's happening with your frequency, with your energy, and with your body. Maybe you could hear some birds there. Maybe you hear the wind, you can feel the wind. Maybe you are walking barefoot on the ground, you could feel it under your feet. And just allow your body and your energy to be a part of that for a moment. Just feel nature. Maybe you sit against a tree, leaning against it, hugging it. Maybe you have your feet in the water. And just notice what's happening in your energy, with your frequency in your body, and Mother Nature starts to heal and relax your body and relax your energy. So you can open up, relax, and let go of all of those old feelings, beliefs, programs that you're running in your system. Because when you open up, you can release. When you're stressed and too much up in your head, you close your body, you close your energy, and then you will also lock all these things inside your whole being. So just let yourself expand and feel this beautiful, beautiful nature around you. Feel the love of the birds, of the trees, the water and Mother Earth. Maybe you could feel the love coming from the earth. And just relax. Maybe take some more nice deep breaths. And maybe it's easier for you to feel and imagine if you close your eyes. So let this experience be in your body and in your energy field. Be healed and nurtured by our beautiful Mother Earth, our Lady Gaia. And connect your heart with nature or inside Mother Earth. And feel all the wisdom, all the natural cycles. Everything happens on its own accords. Doesn't matter what kind of things happens around. Spring will always come, summer will always come, winter will always come. Everything is stable. Everything works on its own accords, connecting to each other, standing strong, beautiful in its own presence. And maybe you could allow yourself to stand strong in your presence. Just to allow these feelings and emotions and energies to come out, to be released, to take up residence in your body and in your energy field. Allow these high frequency energies to be a part of you. To allow yourself to take up residence in you, your energy, your frequency, your light, and just shine from within like the beautiful star that you are. And we can take a nice deep breath in and letting it out. And you can come back, open your eyes, still feel this beautiful energies from Mother Nature, nurturing, relaxing, loving you. I wish you a beautiful day, and I hope to see you soon. Lots of love and blessings.